Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, dear. Good morning, kids.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining.
Yes, it's a perfect day to go outside.
How about we spend the day in the garden?
Oh, can we plant flowers, Dad? And maybe some vegetables, too?
Yes. Today is our family gardening day.
That sounds wonderful. We can all help together.
Yay! I love gardening.
Me too. I like playing with soil and watering plants.
Great. Let's finish breakfast and get ready. Okay, everyone. Let's start. Here are your gloves, Tom and Lina.
Thank you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Gardening is fun, but it also needs teamwork.
What should we do first, Dad?
First, we dig the soil.
I can help with that.
And I'll bring the watering cans.
Perfect. Let's make a small area for flowers and another for vegetables.
Dad, why do we need to dig the soil?
Good question, Tom. We dig the soil to make it soft.
Why soft?
Because soft soil helps the roots grow easily.
Oh, I see.
Hold the shovel like this, Tom.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Press it down with your foot and lift the soil.
Okay. Wow, it's heavy.
That's normal. Gardening is a little bit of exercise, too.
Can I try, Dad?
Of course, Lina. Be careful.
Oh, it's not easy, but it's fun.
You're both doing great.
Dad, why do some soil parts look dark and some light?
The dark soil is rich. It has more nutrients for plants.
Nutrients? What is that?
Nutrients are food for plants.
So plants eat soil?
Not exactly. They take nutrients and water from the soil.
Wow! Plants eat and drink?
Yes, they do, in their own way.
Okay, the soil is ready. Let's plant the flowers first.
What kind of flowers, Mom?
These are marigolds and sunflowers.
Sunflowers are my favorite. They are tall and bright.
All right, Lina. Make small holes in the soil. Not too deep.
Like this?
Perfect. Now put one seed in each hole. Can I help too? Sure. You both can take turns.
I put one seed here.
And one here.
Great! Now cover them gently with soil.
Gently? Like this?
Yes, very good, Lina.
When will they grow, Dad?
It takes time, Tom. Maybe 1 or 2 weeks to see small plants.
That's a long time.
Good things take time, son.
Now let's plant the vegetables.
Which vegetables are we planting?
We have tomatoes, cucumbers, and carrots.
Yay! I love carrots.
Okay, we'll start with tomatoes.
These seeds look smaller than flower seeds.
Yes, and they grow into small green plants first. Then we move them to bigger space later.
Oh, like baby plants?
Exactly. We call them seedlings.
What about cucumbers, Dad?
Cucumbers need space to grow and climb. We'll put sticks here for support.
Like a little ladder for plants?
That's right, Lina.
And carrots grow under the soil.
Really? I thought they grow on top.
No, they hide underground. We only see their green leaves.
That's amazing.
Okay, now it's time to water them.
I'll do it. I love watering.
Me too. Can we both water together?
Sure. Take turns and don't use too much water.
Why not too much, Dad?
Because too much water can hurt the plants.
Like when we drink too much water?
Kind of. Plants need the right amount to stay healthy.
Look at how carefully you both are watering.
I want the plants to grow fast.
They will if you take care of them every day.
We will, Dad. We'll water them every morning.
Dad, how do plants grow?
Well, plants need sunlight, water, soil, and air.
And love, too.
Yes, love helps everything grow.
The roots take water from the soil.
And the leaves take sunlight, right?
Exactly. Leaves make food from sunlight. It's called photosynthesis.
So what?
It's a long word. Photo, syn, sis. It means plants use sunlight to make food.
Wow, plants are clever.
Yes, they work quietly, but grow beautifully.
Dad, look. There are worms on the plants.
Oh no, are they bad?
Some worms are okay, but some eat the leaves.
What should we do?
We can remove them gently by hand or use natural spray.
I can help.
Me too. I'll check the flowers.
Good job, kids. Always check the plants. They need our care every day.
Gardening is like taking care of pets.
Yes, plants are living things too.
You all worked hard today. Let's eat.
I'm hungry after all the digging.
Me too. Gardening makes me hungry.
That's because you used a lot of energy.
We'll have rice, grilled chicken, and fresh fruit.
Yummy!
Can we eat outside near the garden?
Sure, that's a great idea.
The garden looks beautiful already.
Yes, even without flowers yet.
Soon, it will be full of color.
And we'll have fresh vegetables too.
Let's clean the tools now.
Okay, I'll wash the shovel.
I'll clean the watering cans.
I'll put away the seeds.
Remember, keeping tools clean helps them last longer.
I didn't know that.
Everything lasts longer when we take care of it. Tools, plants, even ourselves.
That's true, Dad.
Today was a great day.
Yes, I learned so much.
What did you learn, Lina?
I learned that plants need water, sunlight, and love.
And I learned that carrots grow underground.
You both did a wonderful job. I'm proud of you.
Me too. We worked together and made something beautiful.
I can't wait to see the flowers bloom.
And to eat our own vegetables.
We will, but remember, we must care for them every day.
We will, Dad. Promise.
Let's make gardening our family habit.
Agreed. Every weekend, we'll spend time here together.
Family gardening day every week.
Yes, that sounds perfect. Lina, look, the soil looks wet from yesterday.
Yes, let's water the plants again.
Dad will be happy to see us taking care of them.
Family gardening day never ends.